everyone! It's Tuesday again, and Tuesday is income day. So kilalanin natin ang mga OFWs na kumita this week.
Hi, ako si Lawrence. I'm working as a sales associate and doing the dropshipping business part-time. And here's my weekly income. 8,820.
Congratulations, Lawrence!
Hi! Hello! I'm Shane, working at Traffic, and this is my weekly income. 4,500.
Ay, wow! Congrats!
Hi! I'm Rhea Robles, working ako as assistant teacher, and ito po yung kinita ko nung week. Last week po is 14, ngayon nadagdagan siya ng 70!
Wow! Congratulations, Rhea!
Hi, my name is Pressy. I'm working as a receptionist and ang weekly income ko is 105,800.
Oh my God! Congrats!
Hello, I am Annalyn Joy Di Sumalpong, an accountant by profession. So, ang weekly income ko po is 51,600.
Wow! Congrats!
Okay, good evening sa lahat. Ako po si Mark, working as an admin sa isang malaking project.
Wow!
Kinita ko ngayong week is 7,900.
Wow!
Praise the Lord! 175.
May isa pa, may isa pa.
Ayan, my name is Zeke Tunay, former admin officer, and ang income ko for this week, 27,450.
Hi, I'm Mary Hope. I am a nurse educator, 13 years working here in Qatar, and 4 years na ako sa negosyo, part-time lang. Magkano kinita ko for 1 week? 26,109.
And of course, just like my fellow drop shippers, I would like to share to you my 1 week income in doing the drop shipping business part-time while having my full-time job as an emergency nurse. Then, 41,018.92 pesos for 1 week. And if you are an OFW looking for an extra basket of income, then this drop shipping business is for you. If you want to know more about this drop shipping business, then see you in my inbox.